1739 Longwood, excuse me. This got a newer roof on it. We're really cranking in here now. So this one should be done next week. Let me go inside and show you what we got going. So as I told you before, we got the bathroom done up here. All this. So all this is ready to go. I'll show you the upstairs though. That's where we're cranking right now. So you got all this painted. This is all painted. Epoxy's coming in also. They sanded all the walls. So this is all finished. You see they got the first primer. They're putting the primer in here. So Jose's putting the primer in here. It looks good. We got the same thing in here. They got all the sanded. Well, this is done. And they're working on all this. Say hey guys.
Hi, how are you?
So we're getting all this done. Let's go upstairs. This is going to be a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Lyndhurst, Ohio. Great area. They sanded all. Look, they've already primered all this. So we are cranking. All this is going to get done. It's going to look good. So, as you can see, we're moving on this one. It's got a newer roof. It's going to have new AC. It's going to have new paint, plugs, switches, lights. We're going to put the luxury vinyl down. Again, if you're looking for investment real estate, you can call 216-703-5740. I'm Brett with Key Realty. Check out my websites below. Thanks.